Hello there. Welcome to Summit Services, HVAC, your trusted HVAC and electrician service provider in Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. Regarding reliable furnace installation in Hilton Head Island, South Carolina, we are your go-to choice. We understand the importance of a well-functioning furnace for your comfort, especially during chilly seasons. Whether you need a new furnace installed or your existing one serviced, we have the skills and experience to complete the job. Your satisfaction and warmth are our top priorities. We take pride in providing comprehensive HVAC solutions, ensuring your home remains cozy all year round. Our certified electricians are ready to assist you with residential electrical needs, making your home safer and more efficient. You can reach us at 843-836-2653 for all your furnace installation needs. To learn more about our furnace installation services, visit our website at callsummitservices.com/product/furnace. We proudly serve the Hilton Head Island, South Carolina community with integrity and professionalism. With Summit Services, HVAC, you can trust that your furnace will be installed with precision and care. Summit Services, HVAC, your reliable partner for furnace installation in Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. We're here to keep the warmth flowing in your home.